In this video, I'll show you how to verify Cash App Card for Samsung Pay. Now, if you're using the latest version of Samsung Wallet and your profile is already set up, you'll see an option to add a payment card. At this point, you can either scan your Cash App card using your phone's camera, which will automatically pull in the card details, or you can enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code manually. Once you've done that, Samsung Wallet will attempt to verify your card. But here's where most people run into trouble. Even if you type in everything correctly, and your Cash App card is fully active and working fine in places like Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, Samsung Wallet often still won't accept it. Many users have reported the exact same issue. And if you try adding the card directly from inside the Cash App by tapping the three dots on your card, you'll notice there's no option to add it to Samsung Wallet at all. This is very different from how Apple Wallet or Google Wallet work, where adding the Cash App card is a smooth process. The reason comes down to Samsung Wallet having stricter requirements. It mainly supports cards from big traditional banks and well-established financial institutions. Since Cash App isn't recognized as a traditional bank, Samsung Wallet simply does not allow Cash App cards to be added right now. So, what are your options? Unfortunately, there's no official workaround. Some users have tried linking their Cash App card to PayPal first, and then adding PayPal as a payment option inside Samsung Wallet. In certain cases, this allows you to indirectly access your Cash App funds through PayPal. But it's not guaranteed. It takes extra steps. And since it involves third-party apps, it may not work for everyone. If your goal is to add your Cash App card directly to Samsung Wallet, the short answer is, it's not possible at this time. Until Samsung updates its policies or expands support for fintech cards like Cash App, this limitation will remain in place. And that's the full update on verifying your Cash App card for Samsung Pay. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.